Hey guys, what did you do that for? Hey guys, we're doing this is total 20,000, and we're gonna be doing a challenge. If I can make Mason laugh, if I can make Mason laugh, he has to drink a cup of lemon juice. But if I don't make him laugh, I have to drink a cup of lemon juice. And I found the best cup I could ever find. I found this cup in his cabinet. The winner. Wait, what does the winner do, Mason? Drink. Oh, God, lemon juice, you mean? Hot sauce and lemon juice is what the loser has to drink. A full cup of it? Oh gosh. So if I win, it's gonna be a big spoon, and if you win. Mason just said if he wins, it's you dummy. Yeah, it's actual lemon juice. It is store-bought lemon juice. That looks so Chinese, doesn't it?
How does it look Chinese?
I don't know why it looks Chinese.
So
why are you watching me? I'm recording you watching me. This is my cup. It's amazing.
your cup looks more like pea than mine.
You're weird.
Okay.
Where are we going? We should go into the living room. Or not. You know.
Okay, you ready? Look at me.
Mason, hold this up. He's going first. Your fingers up for the camera.
How's it?
Who's first?
Now it goes to see you.
Yeah, I can see me. Do I have to drink it?
Well, you know what?
Yeah, but yours already started.
Ready? Set. Wait, no.
What?
Do you got some in your mouth?
No.
Put some in your mouth.
Why?
Do it.
What? Who's going first?
You.
Oh.
No, I need. Dude, you can't. Dude, you gotta drink. No, you have to keep it in your mouth, and I gotta try to make you laugh.
Oh.
Keep it. Okay, one last thing for you. No, that card's safe. That one's safe.
Oh wait, yeah. Okay. Put it in your mouth, Mason. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Near. Whoops. Let's hold these up. Let's hold these things up. Hold this one up. Drop. Whoops.
Go.
What happened?
Take a drink.
Mason, what are you doing?
Take a drink. Oh, I see you. You drank it. It's quick. You drank it.
I had it in my mouth.
Okay.
It was in my mouth though. You almost made me laugh and it made me drink it.
Hold it now. One muffin. Okay, so there's a muffin. And there's 2 muffins in the oven. One muffin. So, one muffin. Someone turns the oven on. One muffin goes, did someone get hungry? And the other muffin goes, oh my gosh, a talking muffin. Stop finishing it too quick.
You're trying to make me laugh.
What are you doing? You're talking.
Mason, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's my turn to make the other one laugh. Okay, we're ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Crappy phones. Crappy. Do you still have? You don't have it in your mouth.
No.
Mason, I was trying to make you laugh. Yeah, but I tried to make a sour face.
Aiden, your finger's in the way of myself. I can't see my beautiful self. There we go. No, back up. That's good.
Pointing at your hand. Green. You what? You're not even fine. Your phone stands up. This isn't fair.
Oh, yeah, good idea.
Mine back. That was just not nice.
Stop it, you're gonna make it fall.
Yeah, but mine doesn't stand up. It's an iPhone 6 and you have an iPhone 5. What do we do?
Where'd you put my phone?
You my phone.
Okay.
What was that about? You never let me try to make you laugh. I tried to drink lemon juice to make you laugh. Mason, how many toes do you have? I know someone with only 9. Yes. I will say some of the weird stuff he says at school. Ready? Yeah. Okay. If we was talking about zoos and how they're not good for population, I'm not saying any names, he goes, hey, what if the animals make love? What are we gonna do about that? Made no sense. What do you... Okay. Wait, maybe my phone can stand up. I'm if it's good or not. Oh god. Sweaty potato chips.
So,
I don't know. I guess none of us laughed.
Okay, you got yours. We got one more time. Both of us. One of us has to laugh. Just a grin.
What? It is laugh. It is laugh.
Okay, got it in there.
I choked on the lemon juice. I need to get another drink. I choked on the lemon juice.
Stop it.
I choked on lemon juice. I need to get.
Okay, you ready?
I choked on lemon juice.
Hey, you don't have it in your mouth.
What?
Do it.
I did put it in my mouth.
Do it. Just hold it in your mouth. Oh. Milk just came from that plant. Okay, Aiden.
Are you having a ecosystem?
You laughed when you were up to drinking. You can make me get the pain too. Ready? Go.
Wait. Oh, you're right. making a song. Sweaty toenails. Give myself look at that face. Look at that fat face. It's just so chubby. I mean, he's okay with the sticking to marshmallow. You're laughing. You're laughing, marshmallow boy. Did you spit it out?
No.
I got you to
It
laugh.
came out my nose. So I was.
I got you to laugh. I got you to laugh.
So guys, this is the end of the video.
No.
Oh gosh.
Hey, it's perfect amount of time, Mike.
Where's the crap bean sauce?
Wait, is it super sauce? Is it the?
Finish that for me. At least finish the challenge and bought it up within minutes.
Me too. Are we doing this in the bull snort?
Do you want to have taste buds?
Yes. This one just tastes like vinegar. Like this one's hot level, I would go vinegar.
Okay, so.
Its hot level is apparently buffalo. Because that makes sense. I know what you got. You got the smallest spoon there. Yes, I put it right there for me. Got me one. I got me one.
So we're doing this one?
No, you cannot use that spoon. You cannot use that spoon. Listen, no.
Using that spoon.
Yes, you are. He's using that spoon. No. No.
It's just. Dude, but also.
You cannot use the spoon.
Oh,
You're not using this.
you got me with just freaking spoon.
I'll use a fork then. You're not allowed to use this spoon. Fine, I'll use this fork. You cannot get that. Fine, if you're using that spoon, I'm using the spoon. I'm just gonna take it. Yeah, there's no getting. He got a small spoon, so I'm gonna get a small spoon. There's legit no hole. None's coming out. Mason, I'm not getting any. My spoon is broken. It won't hold anything. Hold my. Cause it won't hold anything.
Which one tastes like vinegar?
That one. I think they legit bottled vinegar.
For the fans. Oh gosh, I can't. I'm gonna have to. Going over here.
How much hot sauce did you put? Oh God.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, but my spoon doesn't hold anything.
Oh go! Oh gosh, Mason, you need to. Oh!
I'm gonna use this spoon, but I'm not putting it all the way out.
That's spicy.
Spicy lemonade?
Oh, that is not a good combination. Don't try this. Oh. If you love your taste buds, don't try this. You're not even naming one of my taste buds scared.
Oh gosh, I put a lot in. I put a crap ton in there. Look how, did you put that much in?
Basically. I taste so much
Ugh.
Do it.
It fills my complete spoon up.
Do it. Dude, that is not any.